I'm very excited to show you this wonderful tool on PaperPro, which is going to make drawing really easy and clean and simple. So let's have a go. So what I love about this filling tool is it's so easy to fill in, of course, and then obviously the adding of the colors, but you must click on that filler tool or it won't work after you change the colors. And here I'm just keeping the pen on the tablet, and now I take it off and start doing some little lines. I'll show you again. You just keep your pen on the tablet screen, and then when you want to break it off, you do that. I'm just going to make it a bit darker for the elephant. I love these animals so much. I've been lucky enough to watch them grazing along the lake's edge. It's so stunning, so peaceful. These are just reflection lines, keeping it very simple. Changing the color to blue. We're going to do some clouds. Again, keep your pen on the tablet. And you can do more than one cloud. And there we have it. Last cloud. Peaceful, beautiful scene of an elephant swimming in Lake Kariba.